Welcome class. Today we are in chapter 2, plants. Class 1, Olympiad classes, plants. So let's learn about plants. So what are plants? Are they living things? Yes, plants are living things. We find most of the plants on this earth. So there are so many plants on this earth. These are living things. Without plants, we don't get food. So to live, to for a human being, for living things, for man, for animals, everyone needs plants. So plants are the important for us, for even human beings, for even animals also. So plants are the producers and animals are the consumers. So let's learn about plants. Let me share my screen so that you will understand very clearly. So plants are our green friends. Let me share my screen with proper. So plants. Plants chapter 2, we are learning about plants. Plants are our green friends. So what we will learn in this chapter? We will learn about plants, what are plants, and what are the main parts of the plant, and what are the types of plants, and how plants make their food, and what are the ways plants help people and animals, how they help people and how they help animals. By the end of the chapter, you will be answering Olympiad questions from this chapter. Okay? What are plants? So, plants are living things. We all know plants are living things because they breathe, they take carbon dioxide and release oxygen. They move, they grow, they respond, they reproduce. Plants grow in many places, on the land, on the water, and even in desert areas also. So, plants are everywhere. Plants help us to breathe. They give us oxygen for us. They give us fresh air. Plants make our earth very green and beautiful. So, plants are very important for us. What are the characteristics of plants? What plants do for us? Plants grow bigger in no time. So they grow very fast. They can make new plants. They have the ability to make the new plants. They reproduce. That is called reproduce. And they make their own food. They take carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. So plants, they grow in no time. They make new plants. They make new plants. That is called reproduction. And they make food for us. They They give food for us. They make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. They give out oxygen for us. The fresh air they give us. These are the characteristics of plants. So what is a photosynthesis? How the plants make food by the help of photosynthesis, by the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means plants make food. So for photosynthesis, they use sunlight, water, carbon dioxide. And by using these, they make food. So carbon dioxide they take from the air, and the leaves trap the sunlight by the chlorophyll pigment in the leaves, and they take water from the roots. By taking all these raw materials, they start preparing food material. Where it is prepared? In the leaves. So leaves prepare food material and they supply to all parts of the plant. So after preparing food material, what they give out? They give out glucose and they give out oxygen. So what they release after preparing food material? They release glucose and they release oxygen. In simple line, we can say plants make food material using sunlight. That is called photosynthesis. So plants make a food material by the help of photosynthesis, by the help of photosynthesis, by using sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay, this is about photosynthesis. And what are the parts of a plant? A plant has different parts like root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. So see here, a plant. This is the root, and stem, this is the stem part, stem, leaves, fruits, and flowers. And here are the seeds. This is a plant and its parts of a plant. Roots. What do the roots do? Roots, they are under the soil. So these roots are under the soil. They take the water. They drink the water. They absorb water from the soil and nutrients from the soil, and they supply to the stem. They transport to the stem. So these, what are the importance of the roots means you have to, they fix firmly in the soil and they take water and nutrients from the soil. You have to remember this about the roots. And stem means they, stem gives support to the plant. Stem carries water from the roots. It takes water from the roots and gives to leaves to prepare food. And the stem carries food from the leaves to all parts of the plant. And this stem holds, the stem bears. This stem part has leaves, flowers, and fruits. Okay? Leaves. Leaves means leaves are the kitchen of the plant. These are green in color. They make food for the plant. They use sunlight by the process of, they use sunlight during photosynthesis. They help a plant to breathe because through the tiny holes, the leaves have tiny holes, and the tiny holes have stomata. through stomata, carbon dioxide and oxygen takes in and closes. Exchange of gases takes place through stomata. So the plants breathe through tiny holes. So what is about leaves means you have to remember these are green in color. Why they are green in color? Because they have chlorophyll and they make food for the plant. They use sunlight for photosynthesis. They breathe. Exchange of gases takes place through tiny holes. This is about leaves. And flower. Flower is a colorful part. So these flowers make seeds. From the flower only we get seeds. And seeds grow into a new plant. Some flowers very nice to attract the insects. By the smell of the flower, some insects are attracted and they suck the nectar. So fruits and seeds. Fruits and seeds means a plant flower changes into fruit and fruit has seeds and these seeds grow into a baby plant. So when a seed gets water and sunlight, it can grow into a baby plant or a tree. So examples like apple has a seed and mango has a seed and sunflower also has a seed. And let's learn about the types of plants. So there are 5 types of plants. So let me explain you what are the types of plants. So herbs. There are 5 types of plants. Herbs, shrubs, trees and climbers. Herbs means these are the small plants. Herbs means small plants like basil, money plant, coriander, grass. These are the herbs which are very small plants and they have soft stems and these herbs are used in food. So herbs are small plants and they have soft stems. These herbs are used in food. Example, mint is used in food and coriander is used in food. This is about herbs. Herbs means small plants. Soft stems you have to remember. Shrubs. Shrubs are medium-sized plants. They are bushy. They have woody stems like rose and hibiscus. Shrubs means medium-sized plants. They look like bushy. They have woody stems. And trees. Trees. Trees means tall and strong plants are called trees. Tall and strong plants are called trees. And these have thick trunks and trees live for many years. Examples like mango, banyan. These are trees. Climbers. Climbers means these are weak stems. They need support to grow. They can climb on the sticks, on the walls of other plants also. Example, money plant, grapevine, these are the climbers. Climbers means weak stems. They need support. They cannot grow without the support. Creepers. Creepers means they grow on the ground. They are the weak stems. They often rest on the ground. Like pumpkin, watermelon, these are the creepers. So what are the uses of plants? Uses of plants means plants give us fruits and vegetables. Plants are used in medicines. Plants give us wood to make furniture. Plants give paper to write and read. Plants give us oxygen. So these are the uses of the plants. With plants give us fruits and vegetables to eat. They give us medicine. What we are taking medicine when we are sick. They give that medicine is from plants. And the furniture we are sitting on in our houses, that is from wood. That wood is from plants. And the paper we are writing, the paper we are writing on in a school, at home, that paper also from plants. And the oxygen we are breathing, that is also from plants. What are the amazing facts? Largest flower is called Rafflesia. So this is the Rafflesia is the very largest flower. And lotus and water lily, they grow in water. And some plants have thorns because they protect themselves. And sunflowers, they turn towards the sun. Okay, these are the amazing facts. Do remember. So in this class, what we have learned, what are the plants or living things we have learned, how plants make their food, about photosynthesis we have learned, and different parts of a plant we have learned, and what are the types of plants also we have learned. So can you give me answer for name three parts of a plant, like root, stem, leaves, flowers, all these are parts of a plant. And which part makes food? Leaves. Leaves make food. Give one example of a tree. So, can you give me one example of a tree? Banyan tree. Yes, very good. So, in this class, we have learned about plants. Plants are living things, and what are the parts of a plant. And we have learned about what are the types of plants. So, what are the types of plants? Herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers. So, I will be sharing a PDF of the important MCQ, important Olympiad questions. So stay tuned to my course about next chapter.